In this video, I'll show you how to use the editor in Google Antigravity. First, open Google Antigravity and sign into your account. From the dashboard, open an existing project or create a new one to access the editor. Next, take a moment to explore the editor layout. You'll find the main editing area in the center, the project files in the sidebar, and the available tools and settings around the workspace. Open the file you want to edit by selecting it from the project panel. Now, begin making changes to your project. You can edit text, update code, modify layouts, or refine your project based on your goals. If AI assistance is available, enter a prompt describing the changes you want, and let the editor generate or update the content for you. After that, review the changes made by the editor. If you'd like to improve the results, continue editing manually or provide additional instructions to the AI until you're satisfied. Save your progress regularly as you work. Finally, test your project to make sure everything is working correctly. If additional edits are needed, return to the editor, make the necessary changes, and save your work again before exporting or deploying your project. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the editor in Google Antigravity. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.